So a lot of people ask, how do they find their detained family member? So if a family member gets picked up by ICE, in Georgia, most of the time they are going down to Stewart, but they have been moved at times. I know in other states, detainees are being picked up and they're immediately moved out of the state into another state. So how do you find your loved one? Well, first and foremost, you would have to have their A number if they had an A number already. If not, an A number gets issued to them while they are in proceedings, when they get picked up. But if they have a notice to appear, then they have an A number. And with that A number, you can go on to the detention locator. It'll pull up. It's going to ask you questions like, their home country, the A number, and I forget what else they ask, but just fill out the information and then you push, submit, and you should be able to find your loved one. However, understand that they don't get put into the system until they are actually processed. And so sometimes that could be a couple days, it could sometimes be a week or two, something like that. So if you have a situation where a loved one is, picked up by ICE and you don't know where they are, please at least reach out to an attorney to see if they can assist you. If not, then be patient and just keep putting their information into the locator and they will pop up. Or if they call you, because, once they get there and they get settled, they should be able to call you. So, once they call you, then you can ask the specifics of where they are, what state are they in, and what detention center they're located in.